approach into first, puts that scene. So, did it say male white or male Hispanic on this one?
Male white.
Male white, green jacket
with the hat on.
Baseball cap, blue jeans.
1-829, let's go 6 and never.
So yeah, if he's there, let's get him in a position of disadvantage. Yeah.
Where is he? Want the 40? My window's down.
No, get your gun. Hey, put the knife down.
Drop the knife. Take the knife out of your pocket and drop it on the floor.
Face the wall. Face the wall right now. Face the wall.
You don't have a gun, you got a flashlight.
Face the wall.
I don't know, a flashlight.
Face the wall.
You're not cops.
Hey,
You're not cops.
1-829, can I get back up?
don't. Don't reach for a knife. Do not reach for a knife.
You ain't cops.
Drop the knife right now!
It ain't a real damn gun.
Drop the knife! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hey, put the knife down.
Drop the knife. Take the knife out of your pocket and drop it on the floor.
Face the wall. Face the wall right now. Face the wall.
You don't have a gun, you got a flashlight.
Face the wall.
I don't know, a flashlight.
Face the wall.
You're not cops.
Put it on a backup. Hey,
You're not cops.
don't reach for your knife. Don't reach. Don't reach for a knife. Do not reach for a knife.
You ain't cops.
Drop the knife right now!
Dude, it ain't a real damn gun.
When they try, let me get it back with a 450 man with a knife.
Drop
Get. Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground!
1-829. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Get on the
Help.
I'm gonna get hands on.
Ready? Move. Go. Move. Get it away.
Roll him over.
Douglas Hill is a 39-year-old resident of Illinois.